A lot of trainers come to me and say, Jackson, I am not good enough. I am not good enough to start my training. And I need more time to prepare myself, and then maybe one day, maybe 5 years later, I will be ready. But ladies and gentlemen, I have good news for you. You don't have to be waiting for 5 years. You don't have to be waiting for 3 years. You can get started right now. Because if you are willing to get started right now by giving some free training, this is how you get started. And it's very important, you always remember it's never about you. It's like how good looking you are, or how smart you dress, or how well you speak in English, or how well you speak in Mandarin. No, it's not about all these things. It's about the value you offer, the solution you provide, the answers you provide to the suffering or challenges or the needs of your audience. So if you look at the greatest trainers in the world, yes, they speak well, but most important than speaking well is able to deliver the content that solve the worry, the problem, the concern, and the challenges of your listeners. If you're here to provide answers to challenges, to problems, to concern, and to the suffering of your audience, and you're able to do so, believe me, ladies and gentlemen, whether you speak for free or you speak for money, the audience will love you because you are solving their suffering. That's the reason why you become a presenter, a trainer, and a speaker. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next video.